So it's finally time to talk about Berserk's 2016 anime adaptation. Berserk's 2016 anime adaptation combines 2D and CG animation, but the awful quality made what should have been a knockout into a laughing stock. Anime is usually highly regarded for its animation and detailed art style. However, sometimes this art quality goes down the hill tremendously once CGI is involved. Likely due to its infrequent use in anime, CGI is usually notoriously low in quality when it shows up in most of the anime series. It can likewise be a sign of cheap, altogether low effort production when it's used to animate the entire series. Perhaps no recent show is a better example of this than the 2016 version of the Berserk. This second anime adaptation of the reworked manga combines 2D and 3D animation, but the low quality of the latter quickly made what should have been an instant classic into a laughing stock. Here's how CGI made 2016's Berserk into a self-parody. The CGI throughout the Berserk reboot is sadly hilariously slitted and stiff, be it characters in motion or simple scenes where they exchange dialogues. The main character, Guts, is animated so that his closed eye shut in the constant state of constipated aggregation, while his mouth movements are so basic they are Muppet-like. Perhaps the most infamous example of his walking away from the group of people while talking, as so you can see in this video right now. Not only has his mouth animated been compared to South Park, but his walking more so resembles him being literally scooted out of the frame bit by bit. Later releases of this series would slightly improve the animation of this scene in the particular, but the damage to the show's reputation has already been done. The animation's constant switching from the traditional cel shading to CGI is never fluid, with the poor quality of the CGI making it even more jarring. Said animation would fit right in with an early PlayStation 2 era games, but not in a nostalgic sort of way. This makes even the action sequences look awful, with what should be fast-paced fights ending up slow, clunky and anything but exciting. Other example of how horrendous the animation is can include a scene in which a monster grabs another creature by the head before transforming its arm into a claw and crushing his head. The scene is almost painfully comical, especially since it is a part of such a serious series. The animation would likely have looked bad in the early CGI series, like Reboot, or at least would not have aged well, like Reboot. With it being part of the show from 2016 though, even the best writing and voice acting could have saved it. But unfortunately for 2016's Berserk, the rest of the shows isn't particularly up to the snuff either. As previously mentioned, the action is boring at best and laughable at worst because of how slow the animation quality looks. Likewise, the pacing is all over the place, feeling at times more like a random collection of scenes from the manga than a cohesive story. Even the voice acting, which is fine, is hampered by being paired with such an awfully looking show. Some of the scenes involving more traditional animations, such as when the characters are walking under a bridge, also have straight and unnatural movements. Fans and professional critics alike have been largely mixed on the series as a whole, with the animation being one of the main points of complaint. Many have noted how even the show's best movement can't be fully appreciated due to just how ugly everything looks. This era at the dawn of the most CGI in anime has created a negative effect around CGI in anime, making it an unpardonable sin. Anyone who has seen 2016's Berserk animation will all agree with me on this topic. What are your thoughts about Berserk's animation of 2016 series? No matter what we say, we can't change the facts right now, but I would love to see Berserk manga getting animated by some really good animation studio like Mappa or Wit Studio. Because if the Berserk gets an anime adaptation just like its manga, then of course it is going to blast in the Weeb community and everyone is gonna love that anime. And if you haven't read the Berserk manga yet, then you should do it right now, because it is one of the best horror thriller manga I have ever read. What are your thoughts about this topic? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.